Have you ever wondered about the intricate workings of customs and traditions around the world? Customs, those fascinating norms and rituals, are the lifeblood of our diverse global community. They reflect our histories, our values, our hopes, and our fears. From the vibrant festivals of Brazil to the solemn tea ceremonies of Japan, customs paint a vivid picture of humanity in all its glorious diversity. But customs aren't just about traditions and rituals. They also refer to the complex systems that govern how goods move across borders. These customs procedures, while perhaps less colorful than their cultural counterparts, are equally crucial. They ensure smooth global trade, protect our countries, and uphold the law. As we navigate through the vast expanse of this topic, we'll also highlight a special day that underscores the importance of these customs: International Customs Day. Now let's delve into the history and significance of International Customs Day. Every year on January 26th, we celebrate International Customs Day, a day that holds a special place in the global community. This day commemorates the creation of the World Customs Organization, or WCO, back in 1952. The WCO is a pivotal player in the global stage, promoting the importance of customs, fostering international cooperation, and enhancing the effectiveness of customs administrations worldwide. International Customs Day is a unique opportunity for customs organizations, businesses, and communities to come together. It's a day to reflect on achievements and to discuss the future challenges that lie ahead. So why are customs so essential? Well, customs play a key role in facilitating global trade. They are the guardians of borders, ensuring the smooth movement of goods from one country to another. They enforce regulations, collect duties and taxes, and protect nations from illegal trade practices. But customs are more than just gatekeepers. They are the balancing act at the heart of international trade. On one hand, they must facilitate the smooth flow of legitimate trade, reducing barriers and fostering economic growth. On the other hand, they have the responsibility of securing our borders, protecting our economies from illegal practices, and ensuring a level playing field for businesses worldwide. Customs, therefore, is not just about checking goods at the border. It's about maintaining this delicate balance between trade facilitation and security. It's about streamlining processes while safeguarding our country's interests. In essence, customs are the unsung heroes of international trade, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep the global economy running smoothly. They ensure that goods reach their destinations safely and efficiently, and that businesses can compete fairly in the global marketplace. So as we celebrate International Customs Day, let's take a moment to appreciate the vital role that customs play in our world. Let's celebrate the hard work, dedication, and commitment of customs administrations worldwide. Because after all, customs is not just about checking goods, it's about maintaining the balance between trade facilitation and security. Every country has its unique way of celebrating its cultural identity. As we journey across the globe, we discover a myriad of customs and traditions that define the essence of each nation. Travel with me to Japan, where the ancient custom of tea ceremonies, known as chanoyu, is a testament to the Japanese philosophy of harmony, respect, purity, and tranquility. This intricate ritual of preparing and serving matcha tea is more than just a social gathering. It embodies the Japanese way of life, reflecting their deep-rooted values of mindfulness and aesthetics. Let's venture next to the vibrant land of India, where the festival of Diwali, or the Festival of Lights, illuminates every corner of the country. Symbolizing the victory of light over darkness and good over evil, Diwali brings families together in a grand celebration of unity, prosperity, and shared joy. The lighting of oil lamps, festive decorations, and the exchange of sweets and gifts echo the Indian ethos of community, generosity, and spiritual enlightenment. Our next stop is Brazil, renowned for its vivacious carnival. This flamboyant spectacle of samba dancing, extravagant costumes, and lively music is not just a massive street party. It's a potent expression of Brazilian culture, reflecting their love for life, music, dance, and communal harmony. From Japan's serene tea ceremonies to India's luminous Diwali and Brazil's exuberant carnival, these customs offer a fascinating glimpse into the soul of these nations. They reveal the values, beliefs, and aspirations of their people, creating a vibrant tapestry of global culture. But why are these customs so crucial? They serve as a bridge between the past and the present, preserving cultural heritage while adapting to changing times. They foster a sense of identity and community, strengthening social bonds and promoting mutual understanding. Above all, they enrich our global civilization, making our world a more diverse, vibrant, and inclusive place. So, the next time you witness a unique custom or tradition, remember, it's not just a quaint ritual or a colorful festival, it's a window into the heart of a culture, a reflection of a nation's spirit and the values it cherishes. These customs provide a deeper understanding of its people and their values. Despite their significance, customs face various challenges in a globalized world. The rise of e-commerce has dramatically increased the volume of international trade, making the task of customs more complex than ever. The constant threat of smuggling and fraud adds another layer of difficulty, requiring constant vigilance and robust security measures. But every challenge brings an opportunity for innovation. In the realm of customs, technology has become a game changer. Advanced systems like blockchain technology are being leveraged to ensure the authenticity and legality of goods. Artificial intelligence is used to streamline processes and enhance security, while data analytics helps in predicting trends and making informed decisions. These innovations in customs procedures are not just about keeping up with the times. They're about ensuring that the balance between trade facilitation and security is maintained. They're about fostering global trade and economic growth. Innovations are crucial to ensuring a seamless flow of goods across borders. Now that we know about the significance of International Customs Day, how can we celebrate it? Well, there are many ways you can engage and contribute to this special day. Attend local events organized by customs departments or trade organizations. These are great platforms to learn more about how customs work, the latest developments, and the challenges they face. Participate in discussions about trade, customs processes, and their impact on the global economy. This is an excellent opportunity to broaden your understanding and share your thoughts. Don't forget to appreciate the customs of different cultures. Whether it's the vibrant Brazilian carnival, the deeply spiritual Japanese tea ceremonies, or the festive Diwali celebrations in India, all these customs enrich our global heritage and foster mutual respect. Take this celebration online, use the hashtag #CustomsDayCelebration, and share your experiences on social media. Let's spread the word and raise awareness about the importance of customs in our interconnected world. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Happy International Customs Day!